YouTube, TriStars, shocking. Good afternoon and good day. I mean, thanks for tuning in, right? Now this video is back on the road again, and in terms of, well, I'm always on the road, but this video is, you know, we're gonna do more roads, like more driving, more streets, more, you know. Subscribers say they want to see more roads, right? So that's what this video is about, really. But other than that, this load that I'm picking up is a load going into New York. And New York, Brooklyn, New York. We're talking about the city.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
No, there's not a lot of people that like to go into New York City for many reasons, right? Traffic is number one. Parking is the next, and tolls, especially because, you know, when you're owner operator, tolls are your responsibility, right? For some companies, right? Well, my company it is, so you know you gotta put that in as a factor. But one of the next thing is the rates. It's good rates going in. You know what I mean? When I say good rates, I mean like for the miles going in, you get anywhere like, because this load is going in for like $6, right? $6 per mile. Now we're looking at 470 miles with tolls. And if you're not doing the tolls, it's gonna be $560. So it's gonna be an extra set 2 hours, you know. Then you gotta factor in gas, fuel, how you want to run it, and what makes sense, you know what I mean? I already went ahead and buy my Easy Pass. I have my Easy Pass in here. When I go through the toll, it actually collect and also collect back from my credit card. But that's not the case. The case is going into New York. Now it's everyone fear. Now with loads like this, normally when the company call you and try to offer you this type of loads, sometimes other guys refuse it, right? And when loads are paying good and guys refuse it, that means there's a lot more than just what you're seeing, right? Now, they give me the load. And why I didn't refuse it is I like challenges, right? And also I want to make a vlog going into New York. I've been in New York in cars. I've been one time in the truck, but I wasn't vlogging at that time. I was a company driver when I was doing that, when I went in, right? So now that I'm an owner operator, I have more time to, you know, put the video in, like, you know, time in. So enough being said, this video is gonna entail a lot of street views, and also, yeah, basic driving, just leaving from Canada, going into New York, really. I'm not gonna show the full journey because it's gonna be a long drive to, you know, to edit, and I mean, who's gonna sit down and watch all roads? But I'm gonna try to let it be short. I will try. But I came to pick my trailer up, and apparently there is a repair group working on the trailer. Now this is a problem. And the reason why I said it's a problem is because my time is running out. I'm on E-log. I got like 10 hours leave. When I go over in the States, I'm going to lose 2 hours. So I'll only get like 8 hours to drive. And I don't know how long I'm going to be here for. Then I'm not close to the border. So it's still not going to be 8 hours I got leave to drive. So this is wasting my time, right? Because my plan is to get in early enough so I could beat the traffic to go in. So I want to go in the city like, say 3:30, 4. The latest is 4 o'clock in the morning to get in. It's still going to be a lot of traffic. If I could go earlier, I could, but because of what's going on now, it's going to mess up my plan. Because I don't want to go in the early morning, because trust me, you will lose every single time, right? Now, I guess they are finished with the trailer now. So yeah, they were on it maybe an hour now. They said it was a seal leak, so they fixed it, and I think they're getting ready to leave. So I'm gonna pick the trailer up. I'm gonna start my journey. On my GPS, as you can see, it's the miles is telling me 560. That is without tolls, right? So basically, I'm gonna try to check to see how much the toll is gonna cost, to see if it makes sense. You know what I mean? Because sometimes I don't really like to go on the back roads. Yeah, sometimes I don't really like to go on the back roads, but I'm gonna go for it. Okay, so they're leaving, so I guess this is my time to pick the trailer up and go. So I just want to say thanks for tuning in, and also I want you guys to follow me on Instagram. It's TriStars, TriStars, on Instagram. It's you can DM me from there also, because that's where I talk to most of my subscribers, and yeah, it's a good look. So we're gonna start the journey. I'm gonna go ahead and pick the trailer up and on the way. So thanks for tuning in. TriStars Trucking, and this video may not be one video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put everything in one, so I may put it like part 1 and part 2. You know what I mean? So all depending on when I'm editing it, how long it is or whatever, I'm gonna put part 1, part 2, or if not, I put everything in it. But thanks for tuning in. TriStars Trucking. Peace out. Respect and thanks. Yeah, YouTube. So this is the load. All the way back, and I think when I checked it is a little bit taller than the trailer. This is a 48 feet trailer. So I'm gonna check my straps. I'm gonna show you what's going on at the back. They were working on the wheel seal, they said. It wasn't this one. It was this one. So this is what's going on. The load hang off. Right, maybe, what is this, a feet? The load is hang off by a feet over. Oh man. So this is what's going on. I'm gonna check these straps, check them to see if they're tight, and hook up and go. So yeah, YouTube, TriStars.
Yo, Dada. Yo. See, man, bread bar. Let's put on the paper. Apologize for what? Apologize. Fire gun! I'm gonna say holy man will like it, so that's the right job. Rastafari. It is good to give thanks unto the most like it, so that's the sing praise unto his name, most high job. Rastafari to show forth his loving kindness in the morning and their faithfulness every night. Upon an instrument of 10 strings. Alright, step into them king. Beautiful people, collect your love. But you have to judge me. Rastafari don't apologize.
I'm rolling on the road, got me 10 feet off the ground, and I'm I'm hearing what you say, but I just can't make you sound. You tell me that you need me, then you go and cut me down. Oh wait, tell me that you're sorry, didn't think I'd do
YouTube! Troy Stars, you know? Right now I'm heading towards the border, going, I'm in Buffalo, Niagara Falls. So I'm heading towards the border to go across. Like I said, I'm going in New York, so
Take another chance, take a fall, take a shot for you. Oh, and I need you like a heart needs a beat, but it's nothing new. Yeah, yeah, I loved you with the fire red, now it's turning blue. And you say, sorry like the angel, heaven let me think was you. But I'm afraid it's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. It's too late.
good day, sir. It's a steel pipe. Yes, sir. No, sir.
Go to X-ray, you know what that is?
Yes. Well, I don't think I've been to X-ray this one before.
You make a left turn by the dock down there.
Okay, where's that truck going? Okay.
Okay, sir. Head down there and make a left by the dock, okay?
Okay. Basically, I'm going to X-ray.
Take the entrance to the left.
Yes, YouTube. So we're going to X-ray. Like every truck I go to X-ray today.
Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give.
Never gonna give.
club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking faster than we talk slow. Come on over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, put the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. All weekend, we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me at Thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I'll fill up a plate. Talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour, and how your family is doing okay. Leaving, get in the taxi, then we kiss in the backseat. Tell the driver, make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. 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 I'm in love with the shape of you.
And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both be numb. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever young. This I know, yeah, this I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know you can't go without it. She told me you'll never be alone. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it. Oh, I love it. And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both know. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. All the misery was necessary when we're deep in love. This I know, yeah, girl, I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me you'll never be alone. It's when I'm with you, but I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you, in love, this I know. Yeah, girl, I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me you'll never be in love. But I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it. She told me you'll never be in love.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.